Hello guys, it's me again. It's been a while, but I thought I'd tell you what I've been up to. I thought I'd pop down Godrevy on the way back from a call I had at the weekend. The surf was challenging, as you can see, these poor blighters. Oh, did you see that? Wow. How about that? That's a mini highlight. The surf was pretty tricky. The wind was great, offshore. Deceptively sort of blowy out there though. So with the surf not up to much, I thought, let's go on a bit of a seal hunt, shall us? It's always hard to know whether it's a swimmer or I don't know. I should put a bit of footage in here. I'll do it next time of what I see on the screen. I'll record my screen and show you, because you see like a little blob, and I don't know. I'm normally pretty good at not missing them, but yeah. You can see, so that wobble on the camera. Oh, he's gone, is he? I was about to leave. I'm like, no, I can still see him under there. Yeah, I thought so. Try his tricks on me. Ain't that blind. But no, he's gone under this time. Probably, I don't know, trying to get some fish. But no, it's the gimbal of my camera is starting to play up a bit. I think it's because the lenses I'm putting on there are not that heavy, but they put it out of balance. It's always sort of it's always got like a small weight on one side of it. It puts it out of balance. But I will adjust that with some fantastic repairs. So this is Martin Cove. This is where the seals live. We can, like the FBI shows, we can say enhance and enhance. That's just rubbish quality, isn't it? This is unhance. All right, it's not like Hollywood. Sorry, guys. I didn't want to get too much closer though. I thought I'd leave them to it in there, and I'd get the guys that are out and about getting their fish, or I don't know, at the seal club, club seal. I thought I might score a hit near the caves here, but no. I think people can climb on those, so I don't think the seals go for that. But that's alright, because we've got a fella up here. You can see in the background, I think that's a stand-up paddleboarder. You can see they look similar to me. Their wetsuits, the winter suits are black. How rude. Fine. So I thought I'd tiptoe up to them nice and slow. I'm trying to do circles so it tries to engage with them. Limited success at the moment. At this point, I am about a mile away with my drone. I'm sat on a dune and sort of controlling it from the screen. Again, no takers. I like those ones with the like mottled whitey grey. I think they're a grey seal. So I don't know if they're just coming up for air. They keep diving down for fish and whatnot. They said, I keep asking people sort of where might I find them. They say around rocks, anywhere with seaweed, because you might get fish, and then where you get fish, you get seals. I do have other plans of maybe enticing them to me. But I've got all sorts of plans. Too much time in my hands, I guess. Too much time in my own head. So this time I thought, right, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to do what I did last time and sweep around it. Sort of more dramatic movement, sort of like. And what do you know, it friggin' works again. So you can see that I'm just sort of like back and to the right and looking like a circle around it. Nearly lost me. But yeah, I'm learning all the time. I guess I will have to, yeah, somehow interest them a bit more. But I'm afraid my battery's very, very low, so we have to wave goodbye to Sammy. And we'll catch up with him another day. Never mind. I just thought I'd leave you with this one to play us out.